Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you love crochet and handmade craft, then today's video is going to be really exciting for you. In this video I am sharing some beautiful and creative crochet handmade ideas that you can make for your home, give a gift or even sell a part of your handmade business. Let's start with one of my favorite ideas, crochet table runner. A beautiful handmade table runner can instantly make your dining table look elegant and cozy. You can create floral pattern, granny square, geometric design or combine different colors to create something completely unique. Another amazing idea is crochet coaster and matching table mat. These small handmade pieces are simple to make but can add a lovely decorative touch to any dining or coffee table. You can create a complete matching set using beautiful color and attractive pattern. Next we have crochet handbag and purses. Handmade crochet bag and stylish, unique and perfect for everyday use. You can experiment with colorful yarn, different stitches, wooden handle and creative patterns to give each bag a special look. If you enjoy home decoration, then crochet cushion cover and other wonderful idea. Floral design, granny square, textured stitches and colorful pattern can completely transform simple cushion into beautiful handmade decoration. Another practical and creative idea is crochet storage basket and organizer. You can use them to organize yarn, cosmetic, accessories, toy or other small household items. They are not only useful but also add a beautiful handmade touch to your home. For something extra special, you can also create crochet baby items such as a baby blanket, cap, and small accessories. These handmade items can make lovely gift for newborn baby and special occasion. The best thing about crochet is that you can let your creativity shine. Try different color, experiment with new pattern and combine different stitches to create design that are truly your own. So which crochet idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more beautiful crochet handmade ideas. Let's try making crochet wall hanging. These are perfect for adding a handmade touch to your bedroom, living room or creative space. You can experiment with flower, leaves, circle and different texture to create eye-catching design. The possibilities with crochet are truly endless. You don't always need complicated patterns. Sometimes a simple design with the right color and beautiful finishing can look more elegant and attractive. So choose your favorite idea, pick your favorite yarn and color, and starting creating something beautiful with your own hand. Thank you so much for watching and I see you in the next creative crochet video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.